Santiago Highway, General Trias, Cavite, wherein makikita natin ang CTU's Showroom 3. And for today's video, makikita natin na meron tayong 4 release na unit ngayon at makikita natin ang CTU's team na nililinis at meron kaming konting pasilip kung paano i-prepare ang mga units natin for release. So, check this out. So, ayan, we're almost done. Nakikita naman natin na winax na ang ating unit and after that, magba-back to zero na. So, waiting na lang kay client for documents and pictorial.
Sipat yan.
Sipat na, pwede na. Gusto ko kasi dito, handling eh.
Pangarira kaya ata ng Batangas eh. Yung Batangas may usong karirahan din eh.
Oo, sarap-saryo.
Oo.
Diba? Doon na racetrack eh.
Doon kami nanonood minsan eh. Talaga yun.
Good day everyone! So right now kasama natin si Sir Ian, which is ang hobby ni ma'am na pag-release natin ng kotse for today. So ngayon sir, I have question. Kumusta po ang test drive ng ating Honda City RS?
Okay naman siya. Sa appearance, okay naman. And then sa test drive, mas okay din sa akin.
Okay, yung first-hand experience nyo ba sir sa unit is superb?
Yeah, super.
Okay, thank you so much sir. Thank you so much.
The sun still shines a full glow in some peace of mind. All blue jeans, no fancy plans. A good day sitting in my hands.
So ayan, releasing na the most exciting part ng, pag-release ng kotse is the picture taking. Come on.
It's about how you love, laughter, the ones that you trust. It ain't no secret, habit is as happiness.
So ayan guys, kasama na natin si Sir at si Ma'am. Si Sir Ian at Ma'am
Angela.
Hi Ma'am Angela, this is Andy po from Carsim Unlimited and I have few questions lang po sa inyo. So saan nyo po nakita si CTU? Did someone recommend sa CTU sa inyo?
Facebook.
Oh, Facebook. Is it the posting po ng mga marketers?
Yes, may nagpa-vlog dito.
Oh, okay. Okay. And what made you decide to purchase this unit po?
Dream car niya.
Oh, okay. Sweet naman nila mama at sirs. And sa tingin nyo po ba, mararecord nyo po ba si CTU sa friends nyo or loved ones?
Yes, very smooth ang transaction and napaka-bless. Walang keme-keme.
Ayan. Thank you so much ma'am and we appreciate po sa pagpili kay CTU for today and sa inyong dream car. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
And ayan, natapos na ang ating journey sa pag-release ng unit from the start ng paglilinis ng unit up until picture taking. And I hope you guys are interested. You can visit our 4 showrooms. Again, walk-ins are welcome because here in Carsim Unlimited, baka nandito na ang dream car na hinahanap mo.
You try.